Hello friends, my name is Deepak and I'm going to be your host for today's tax segment of our show. Once again, I have a special guest with us today who can help us with all our tax questions during this tax time of the year. Sanjiv Gupta. Sanjiv Gupta has practiced tax as chartered accountant in India and served the San Francisco Bay Area community as C.P.A. for last several years. His tax radio talk show on 1170 AM and 1550 AM are very popular among Indian community. His office provides strategic accounting, tax, financial, and consulting services to individuals and small businesses. But Sanjiv ji is with us today in our studio. So let's talk to him a little bit about taxes today. Sanjiv ji, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Today's topic I have chosen for the show will be companies having employees located in different states. We have seen in this area also people are not vigilant, and the states have coming back with the notices for not filing the payroll taxes, not filing the excise tax return, not filing the sales tax return, not filing the income tax returns. So there's a lot of violation on that account. What happened is when you have employees stationed in different states, and those employees are working in those states for more than 3 months or more, there's a reporting requirement for tax purposes, and there's a reporting requirement for payroll purposes. And if you're selling some products in those states, there's a requirement for filing the sales tax also, and there's a requirement for filing the excise tax returns. So different states requirements are there. One has to be very careful what you're doing in those states and what state requirements are there for bookkeeping purposes, for tax purposes. So if you are California, for example, if you have a California-based employer and you're having employee, say in Virginia. Now Virginia is a community rule state. There is no tax on the federal side, but it's tax on the state side. So definitely there are requirements for filing the payroll taxes if that employee is working in that state for more than 3 months. There's a requirement to withhold taxes for that employee, because that employee will be reporting the Virginia taxes as well as other state in which you might be working on. So if you don't withhold the correct Virginia taxes for that employee, that employee will be ending up paying the Virginia taxes when he does his personal taxes, and it will be creating a problem for him because there will be penalties and interest on that account. And the Virginia will come after the employer saying that where is the tax return, and they will have it to penalties and all the stuff. Other states are vigilant too, like New York, New Jersey. All the states are very, very vigilant states. So one has to be careful when you have employees in different states. Well, of course, you can make revenue from the state, but definitely there is a reporting requirement. One has to be careful for it. You have to contact a person, or you can contact our office. We can definitely help in that area.
So Sanjiv ji, thank you very much for answering those questions regarding 1099 and W-2s and employees. I know it's a very a touchy topic. So thank you so much for sharing. So friends, if you have employees and you're thinking about doing payroll for those employees, or if you have employees in other states, you can call Sanjiv ji at his office. That number is 510-825-7563. Once again, 510-825-7563. Or you can visit him online at sanjivcpa.com. I reminded you last week that Sanjiv is also holding a special deal for our viewers. So you can log on to his website and simply post a comment or share a link on your Facebook or Twitter profile, and you might just end up winning a nice Starbucks gift card. So don't forget, definitely share that website with your friends and family members. If you have a question regarding your taxes, you can also post up on his website and his staff try to answer that for you. Or once again, you can call his office. Once again, that number is 510-825-7563. He's located in Fremont and still accepting new clients. So there's still time. Give his office a call and get those tax paperwork taken care of. So friends, thank you so much for viewing us, and we will be with you next week, same time, same place. Till then, goodbye.